Itinerary Cooking Ambassador from Asia Scenic Thai Cooking School, Chiang Mai, Thailand. This morning we pick up the vegetable from our farm. We got eggplant and kaffir leaf. And our menu today we're gonna cook fried red curry with eggplant. Fried red curry with eggplant. I'm sure you guys know red curry, like a curry soup, but today we will cook fried curry. Okay, it's a little bit different from your red curry soup. We see the ingredients. First we have to make red curry. We're gonna make the fresh red curry paste, okay? And then all the ingredients, so of course eggplant, kaffir leaf. For the ingredients, you can see like this. Finish step 1, the red curry paste, and then eggplant. Actually, if you have no eggplant, you can use your carrot, baby corn, or your zucchini. It's okay, but in Thailand we have a lot with this one. In my farm, a lot. Okay, cut the stem off and cut in half and half again for 4 pieces and put in here. And kaffir, see, this is kaffir leaf. If you have no kaffir leaf, skip it. You can skip it or use the dry one if you can find the dry one. Okay. You just fold the leaf in half and take the stem off like this, and we tear in small pieces. If we cut, it's not strong aroma, but tear this bring out more aroma. Okay, and now we start to fry it. Fry red curry with eggplant. Okay, we use oil, just a little bit oil. If you have oil spray, you can use oil spray. A little bit. About 1 or 2 tablespoons, and red curry paste. Okay, see closer.
Come on and cool with me at Asian Scenic. Come on and cool with me at Asian Scenic. I wanna teach you how to cook. We're gonna have a great time. You're gonna cook right in real time. cook with me? That Asian Scenic. I wanna teach you how to cook. We're gonna have a